Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I didn't think this was going to be so soon, but listen, Umusa is adamant what he wants to tell Umatsele about the good news that Usamke is expecting. So we're going to see Umusa Beno Samke going to Umatsele and going to break down the news Kumatsele. That time Umusa in his diary session is like he's anxious. I'm just like, what are you anxious for, you guys? But anyway, when they get there, guys, they give Umatsele the same bag that Umusa was given, that gift bag, and then that stick that you pee on top of, that pregnancy stick, they give it to Umatsele. Guys, Umatsele's initial reaction, guys, there's no way she can take that one back. I know probably maybe in a diary session she's going to say something like, Siyamhana Lisela or something like that. But her initial reaction, you guys, when she looked at Usamke, it's almost as if she wanted to say, ha, so quick, Mugeli. Bathi-ke uMatsele umamazala, she seemed as if she was shocked ukuthi Musa and Usamke have been doing the deed. Guys, I'm just like, I get shamed. Angazi ukuthi ngithini. But anyway, Umatsele, I do think she is going to receive the news well. I don't know. I think she's going to receive the news well. But I just can't escape her initial reaction, Wuti, how shocked she was, how shocked she looked, and almost as if she wanted to say, Wuti, like, how did this happen so soon? But anyway, anything we must expect, anything from Umusa, because listen, everything yasheshwa. I mean, I don't know, maybe he's doing it for umpumelelo, or what really is the rush. But anyway, there's a child on the way, or there's a child there. There's no turning back. They say a child comes with joy, you guys. So I really hope ukuthi maybe this child will be the joy that the Mselegos really need at this point. Because this season, guys, it just seems like it's getting worse and worse for some people. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me, once you've seen Matsele's initial reaction, what did you think? Did she initially look like she was happy, or did she initially look like she was surprised? Anyway, guys, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.